Goodwill of the firm is valued 3 lakhs rupees is there. So when valuation of goodwill is given, we have to find out the new partners part. New partners part of goodwill is equal to 3 lakhs into 1 by 5. The Manan part of goodwill is 3 lakhs into 1 by 5. It is 60,000. In 60,000, 45,000 is bring as cash. 15,000 will not bring as a cash. So 15,000 bring as cash. The entries are cash account debited to premium for goodwill account credited, and the premium for goodwill account debited to Rutvi's current account and Prince's current account. The ratio of 5:3 because in the questions they are not given the new ratio. Old ratios are there. So when old ratios are given in the question, new ratios are not given. So it means old ratio is your sacrifice ratio. Now, Manan will not bring 15,000 as cash. The entries are new partners account debited to old partners account credited. But in the ratio again 5:3. Again is 5:3. So Manan's current account debited 15,000 to Rutvi's current account and to Prince's current account. We have to distribute in the 5:3 ratios. That old ratio I have written down here 5:3. Now, workmen profit sharing fund. So workmen profit sharing fund is a liability. Now we start the questions. The first entry is workmen profit sharing fund 30,000. So it's a liability. So write in liability sides. Now creditors 1,20,000. There is adjustment in creditors. Just leave it the space here. When workmen compensation reserve is 60,000. The adjustment is there. The workmen liability of the workmen compensation reserve 28,000. So we write down liability of workmen compensation reserve 28,000. From 60,000 we have to minus 28,000. The remaining will be 32,000, and then you have to distribute among the partners in the ratio of 5:3. So the partners current account credit side workmen compensation reserve 32,000 distributed in the ratio of 5:3. It is 20,000 and 12,000. Now the next is current account balance is given. So write down that balance brought down of current account 1,50,000 of Rutvi and 1,95,000 of Princey. Capital account is also given, so we are making capital account here. Balance brought down 1,20,000 of Rutvi and 90,000 of Princey. Capital. Now bank balance is there. So cash and bank balance. So it is bank balance is given. So write in bank account balance brought down here. It is 60,000. Now the next is debtors are 90,000. There is no adjustment in debtors. So write in outer column 90,000. Stock 60,000 are there. And there is adjustment in stock. Credit. Market value of stock is 45,000 is 36,000. Market value of stock is 45,000 is 36,000. It means the stock market value 45,000. Now it is 36,000. So it is decreased. 45,000 to 36,000 is decreased by 9,000. When it is decreased by 9,000, so directly you have to decrease here. 9,000 from this. It is 51,000. And stock is decreased, it is a loss. So write in revaluation account stock account 9,000. Now the next is building 4,50,000. No adjustment, so building 4,50,000 in outer column. Investment 1,05,000. Investment 1,05,000. Now we have to start the adjustment. These are there. Manan will bring his personal furniture 75,000 as capital. So when Manan will bring personal furniture, the entries are furniture comes in furniture account debited to Manan capital account credited. So furniture comes in furniture account debited. When furniture account, we are not making furniture account. So directly write in asset side, furniture. When Manan bring his personal furniture 75,000, write in asset side, furniture account 75,000. The entries are furniture account debited to capital account credited. So furniture we are written here. So capital account credit. This is your capital account. So capital account credit side. There you write down furniture account. It is 75,000. When you think about the journal entry of Manan will bring his personal furniture rupees 75,000. The journal entries are furniture account debited to Manan's capital account credited. When furniture comes in, furniture account debited, so write in asset side furniture. And Manan's capital account credit side, so Manan's capital account credit side, write down furniture, opposite name furniture account. Okay. Now the next is, out of the credit, the 60,000 are payable to Manan, which is to be transferred to his capital account. It means we are given that order to Manan, okay, our creditors are there, just you paid the 60,000 to on behalf of companies. So Manan will pay 60,000 rupees. So paid by Manan. When Manan is paid 60,000, our dues are left, our liabilities are decreased 60,000. But who paid that? Manan paid that. So Manan is now the partners. When partners is paid his personal amount, so it will be recorded as a capital. There it is, creditors account. Manan will paid 40,000 rupees. Manan will paid 60,000 rupees. So creditors account 60. This is the important entry. Just have to repeat both again. Manan will bring his personal furniture rupees 75,000 as his capital. When Manan will bring the capital personal furniture comes in furniture account debited to Manan's capital account credited. So furniture comes in asset side, you write down as a furniture account 75,000. And partners capital account credit side, opposite name furniture account, write down in Manan's account 75,000. Out of the creditors, 60,000 are payable to Manan, which is transferred to his capital account. So Manan is paid that 60,000 rupees of liabilities, creditors, and it's transferred to capital account because Manan is paid. So that is the capital of Manan. So write down in Manan's capital account credit side, creditors account, write down in Manan's capital account credit side. This is your Manan's capital. Now the next is, Manan will bring his, will be given when 1/5 share in the profit. Okay, everything is completed. Now Manan will bring 45,000 as goodwill in cash. Their entries are cash comes in cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. And premium for goodwill account debited to partners capital account credited. And premium for goodwill account, the entries are 28,125 and 16,875. 15,000 will not bring as cash. The 15,000 will not bring cash. The entries are Manan's capital account, M's capital account, M's current account debited to R's current account and to P's current account. 15,000. The ratio is 5:3. When you have to distribute the 5:3, that amount is 9,375 and 5,625. So now we have to repeat both the entries. Look at here. Manan will bring 45,000 as goodwill in cash. Then 45,000 that entries are cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. The cash account debit side, premium for goodwill account, and premium for goodwill account debited to partners current account credited. So premium for goodwill account debited to partners current account credited 28,125 and 16,875. Now Manan will not bring as cash 15,000 rupees. The entries are Manan's capital account debited to Rutvi's capital account, current account to Prince's current account, and ratios are 5:3. Now the entry is just posting Manan's current account debited. So Manan's current account debit side. Opposite name are there. Amount is 9375 5625. An opposite name is Rutvi's current account. Rutvi's current account and Prince's current account. And Rutvi's current account credit side 9375. Prince's current account credit side 5625. An opposite name is there. Manan's current account. So like that, just we have to post the entries of goodwill. Credit purchase rupee 50,000, which is not recorded in creditors account and purchase account, but it is included in closing stock. So 15,000 is there. Unrecorded purchase. Unrecorded purchase. Add into creditors. Unrecorded purchase. Amount is 15,000. Add into purchase and unrecorded purchase. So it's an expenses like revaluation account debit side. Unrecorded purchase. Purchase account 15,000. Market value topic for 45,000 is okay. Now, last adjustments are left. Accrued interest on investment 24,000 is not recorded. Recoverable interest income due but not received. So it is pre-receivable accrued interest. Accrued interest on investment 24,000. It's your profit. So write into revaluation account credit side accrued interest account. On investment account 24,000. We have to do the totaling. Look at here. In revaluation account, both the side it is 24,000. No profit, no loss in the business. So we are not transferring any amount. Now we have to close the current account. Then you close the current account. Rutvi's and Prince's credit side is more. 1 lakh plus 20, 170 plus 20, 190, 98 and 10. 1 lakh 2,07,500. 2,07,500 and Prince's 2,29,500. Utilize your calculators and do the answers. And this 9, 5, 14, 15,000. This total is more. Look at here. When we do the totaling, Rutvi's credit side is more 2,07,500 that you write down in the debit side 2,07,500. And the difference is same amount because no amount is on debit side. Prince's 2,29,500 credit side total. No amount is on debit side, so the same amount will be in the difference. And Prince Manan debit side total is 15,000, credit side no amount, so the difference is 15,000. And there you write down balance carry forward. Here it is balance carry forward. And whatever the balance are, this is a credit balances, so write down here partners current account, balance of current account Rutvi and Princey 2 7,500, 2,29,500. When you do the totaling, 17, 3, 4,37,000. This is the credit balance. Now the debit balance of Manan right on the asset side. Manan's current account balance 15,000. Clear? Now you make the total of the capital account. Capital account credit side is more. It is 1,20,000, 90,000 and 1,35,000. Same you write down here 1,20,000, 90,000 and 1,35,000. No amounts are difference. 1,20,000, 90,000 and 1,35,000. That is your difference. Balance. Carry forward. Now partners capital account credit balance is more, so just you have to make the total of the credit side. That you write on debit side, and the difference will be 1,20,000, 90,000, 1,30,000, 35,000. That is your partners capital account. Partners capital account. There you write down Rutvi, Princey, and Manan. And the entries are 1,20,000, 90,000 and 1,35,000. Do the totaling, write in outer column. 9 to 11, 11, 3, 14. One carried is 3,45,000. 3,45,000. Now we have to make the total of the cash. Cash total is 1,05,000. No other balances there. The same amount we have to write down this balance, carry forward. Bank and cash account. Debit side total is 60 plus 45 is 1,05,000. The same you write down here in credit side, and the balance is 1,05,000. Write down as the bank balance 1,05,000. Now just do the totaling of both the sides of balance 15,000. 9,15,000.